Well, a lot of you guys will know I've been away for the weekend with my family to Amsterdam on the DFDS King whatever, and today's my first day back. It's Tuesday the 14th. I've done a Tesco Livy, didn't bother boring you with that one. And where did they send us after that? DFDS. How weird is that, really? I think it is anyway. So I've just got to race in here because they're waiting for this load. I've had to pull off the bay because they're not ready for us. So they've told me to just get away. Catch you in a minute. Well, I got told to pull off the bay by my office because they need the loads back as soon as possible. Now they've told me, I've just been back on the phone, these DFDSs rang my office and got to give them another 15 minutes the chance to get the one pallet I'm waiting for. It's not going to happen. It means I'll have to get around here, get back on the bay, wait, get told it's not coming, to pull off the bay, to come back around here, to go back in their office to pick the paperwork up. What can you say, man? What can you say? You just say, okay, play your games, peoples. So now I'm going back around. I'm going to stick it back on the bay I was on and wait to see what happens. So I had a bit more success with the DFDS at the weekend than I am today, because a good time was had by all, I can tell you. Round and round and round we go. ⅀7, finally away from DFDS. Absolute joke. Absolute joke. I'm not going to lie. I'm not going to pull any punches. They asked to give it 15 more minutes. It ended up being over 30 minutes. And then when I went looking for somebody, there was nobody about. And they weren't answering the phone to my office when they were ringing to try and get them to get the bloody doors and the ramp up so I can get away. And then just as I'm about to go, when my office rang, went just go, find someone, the truck comes in with my load with an absolute numpty driving in. And I mean a numpty, like, you had to be there to see it. But anyway, he went, they're on here, and I went, doesn't matter mate, just get my doors closed, I have to go. I've been told to leave now. Got to get back with whatever one pallet has got to get ready to get down south to Sittingbourne. So he said, I'll open the doors and have a look, see if they're on. So I went, go on in, and he opened and there were the 2 pallets at the back doors. So he like said, there, that's them there. I rang work again. He went, to just talking shit. I went, they're not, I've seen them. He went, alright then, get them on, get going. And then I'm waiting for the paperwork for another 15 minutes. I need the toilet. I go across, the only toilets for the drivers is by the security gate. And they're out of order because they're blocked. You have to go back in the main bit, so I just went, do you know what? Beep, 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 beep. There you go. That week I've had off is just gone out the window. Now I feel like I'm under all the pressure to get back when it's got absolutely nothing to do with me. What their balls ups have been today. Terrible. Like I said, I had more success on the boat than I did in there. And if I never go back in there again, it'll be too soon. Welcome back, son. Everyone's saying, aye, that's the job, that's logistics. Shouldn't have to be. Whoever's saying that right now shouldn't. Not in this day and age. Waiting for paperwork, even you're like, really? Waiting for paperwork? Crazy, man. Some things up my sleeve, some things in the pipeline. When you get days like this, you just want to hit the activate button, you know what I mean? We'll see how things go. And now you just got to be back, focused, in the zone. The guy in the truck alongside us, I've just overtaken, decided to speed up. Got him. Now I've got one overtake me and I couldn't get out. The guy who's in the office with us, he's got to go to Heathrow Airport and then another drop from here. And he's been stuck there since 5:30, just waiting for the paperwork. 5:30, so an hour and a half just waiting for paperwork to get away. All the joys. It's me back, 20 past 10. Load on the bay for 10 past 10. So not bloody bad, if I may say so myself. Good night.